Alright guys, so we finally got the off-road bumper here. What we gotta do is take off the stock bumper and then we'll get to revealing what that looks like, and then we'll start putting it on the front of the car. Alright, and as you can see now we have the old bumper off, so that includes the plastic piece and the metal one. They both need to come off. If you have any questions on how to get those off, just ask in the comments and I'll try to at least walk you through. So now we'll open up the new bumper and we'll start showing you what that looks like. Alright, let's open this and see what's inside the box. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. Oh nice, it's all wrapped up, so that's good. It's gonna be kept nice and clean. Right here we got the bull bar. Then, it's gonna be a mess. All this foam. But I'd rather have it be clean than all messed up. What do we have here? I think this is the center bumper. Yep. That's gonna be heavy. And then, what do we have next? I think the wings. Yep. They're gonna be here. I'll show you all this at the end, like before I put it on the truck. Another set of wings. Please tell me there is everything. Okay, so far I'm not seeing any bolts. Alright guys, so I guess it does come with the mounting hardware. It's going to be right here. It was actually tucked away inside the bumper. So now I'm going to take all this stuff off and then I'll show you guys what everything looks like. So what we have here is basically an affordable off-road bumper, but not made by Affordable Off-Road. So this bumper was about $200 cheaper, but it's the exact same bumper. And the only difference is going to be right here you don't have the Affordable Off-Road logo, and then right here you don't have another little hole. Other than that though, they're basically the exact same bumper. So if you do want this bumper, I'll leave a link below where to get it, and you can save some money. So let's get to putting it on. The plastic is tightened up. Alright, so now that that's all loaded up and tight and ready to go, now we'll start with putting this on the actual truck. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we did get the bullhorn on. Only reason I didn't record this process is because I did need someone to help me. Thank you, bless me, not myself. But basically we have a bolt that goes in right here, and then you're gonna have two more bolts that go down on the inside of here. I was only able to get one of them in on each side. So within the next couple of days I'm gonna be figuring out how to get the third one in. But now we'll move on to putting the side parts of the bumper on. Alright, so once again for this part, I'm gonna be needing a partner again. But basically, you're gonna wanna put 3 bolts in here. Washers obviously used, and we'll be putting the corners on. So once I get that on, we'll show you what it looks like. Now you can see you've got the corner on. It's gonna be supported by those 3 bolts, like I said, which are gonna be right there, 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll show you what it's looking like on the other side. 1 second, get my light over here. So if we move the light over here, you'll see the bolts with the washers right up in there. And now the bumper is fully on and ready to go. So now we'll be ready for a winch, which we'll be doing in the next video. So now I'll show you what it looks like from side view and what it actually looks like on the truck. So here's the bumper that looks fully assembled without a winch. So basically you have 2 hooks here for D-rings right here. And then obviously you have room for a winch, which will sooner or later be going on in this tray right here. And then yeah, it's a 3-piece bumper that goes on the Ford Ranger. I'll pull the truck out of the garage and show you what it looks like from a side view, but this is what it looks like right now.